Most people think a professional server setup requires a massive data center, but this sleek black cabinet proves you can fit enterprise-grade organization right into your home office closet. It is a towering solution for anyone tired of seeing a mess of tangled wires and blinking lights on their floor. The Penau 22U network server rack stands nearly 4 feet tall, offering a massive amount of vertical space without taking up a huge footprint in the room. Built from heavy-duty cold-rolled steel, it feels incredibly solid the moment it is put together. One of the standout features is that tempered glass front door. It is not just there for looks. It is fully lockable, which is a huge relief if there are kids or curious guests around expensive gear. Plus, status LEDs remain visible through the glass, so everything can be monitored without opening the cabinet. Inside, there is plenty of depth for standard 19-inch equipment, from patch panels and switches to those compact UPS units that keep everything alive during a power surge. While it is rated for a static load of about 88 pounds, the reinforced mounting rails do a great job of distributing that weight so nothing feels flimsy or unstable. Maintenance is surprisingly easy because the side panels are completely removable. This is a lifesaver when routing cables or reaching the back of a router that is tucked away. It really transforms a chaotic pile of hardware into a clean, professional-looking stack. It does require some assembly, but once it is up, the organization it provides is unmatched for the price. It is a practical, secure, and surprisingly stylish way to house a growing network. For anyone looking to take their home lab or small office setup to the next level, this cabinet is a rock-solid investment that brings order to the digital chaos.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.